So guys, I'm just coming back from market right now, as you guys saw me. All right, so welcome back to this vlog. And if today is your first time, my name is Oluchi Grace and this is Unique Grace TV. You are highly welcome. Please smash that red subscribe button and be a part of this family. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back. I really love you all and I appreciate you all. Okay, so guys, yeah, I went to market yesterday and those meat that I bought, the meat I bought, I want to wash them and package them, okay, to be more easier for me whenever I want to cook. So I just come back from market right now. Hubby didn't go to work today again because he wants to rest more. So I left Oma for him. So I'm back now and I want to start, doing the things. I have a lot of things to do. I want to prepare small vegetable soup for my husband as a treat. He said in the house I no give him treats. So I bought vegetable. I'm going to be cooking it and be washing the meat and all of that. So Oma is here. Mommy, say hi. Hi. So this is what I came back with. I'm going to be bringing it out to show you guys. Let's go and greet our guys side. So Hubby is there again today. He didn't go to work. Which one be here? Oga, you must be appearing on the video. Why did they say here?
Maybe all right. Yeah.
No go. The weather is dark now. Weather is dark. So Hubby is here. He didn't go to work today again.
I'm sick.
You are not sick in Jesus' name.
And I never ate since morning.
Ha! Which one be you never eat since morning?
What did you do?
I beg guys, don't mind this man. Which one be you never eat? Every time you go just make it.
You never give me food.
I never give you food.
Somebody who is sick, we go to supply and food.
Not be me go market.
If we eat well now, our sickness go.
I will give you a special treat. I bought vegetable. I will garnish it for you. As I take garnish them now.
With all this small,
rich. Yes, now. With the fish, everything. You go chop them now. Oma is here. How be say you dey sick, I know they give am treats. So I go give am treats now. Esther, give me that key. Nah, just who's come. You go there stand. So guys, I got orange, lemon, carrots, and this is the vegetable I will prepare now. And I bought some onion, potato, tomato. Tomato is very cost now. All this green and red bell pepper. That is pochette Ziploc bag. Alright, I got this pochette Ziploc bag that I can use to be storing my meat and all of that. Not my meat, the meat. And I got this Oma hair this thing. I got it from supermarket. Before I went to the market. So this is her hair spray. It makes her hair to be very soft, and her body shampoo, bathing body shampoo. I know it's for you. This is the hair spray I use for her Uni Baby spray. It's very good. It makes her hair to be very soft. Alright, yeah. So that is basically all I got from the market, and I want to prepare Oma's food. After giving her food then, the main work will now start. Let me peel orange. Wait. Let me peel orange. I will give all my food first before I will start anything I'm doing. I will first of all wash that meat. Orange in car. Well, let's go and give your daddy. Take orange. So I know they give you treats. Oh yeah. I don't give you orange now. You don't even say thank you. You want me to give? If I give you now, you throw one for ground.
Much later.
So guys, yeah, I want to start doing cooking the food and washing the meat now. I got back from the market and I bathed my baby. We refreshed and all of that. So Oma is sleeping right now and I want to do everything sharply. All right, so let me show you guys what is going on here right now. All right, yeah. So here is the meat. This one is the cow leg. All right, please, the weather is dark, and this one is the turkey. I'm going to be cutting this vegetable right now. All right, and this one is the shaki. I put lemon inside. I use lemon sometimes to wash the meat and the salt. Okay, so guys, that is basically what is going on, and I'm boiling the meat I will use to cook the soup. I'm boiling the meat for the vegetable soup. All right, yeah. So guys, yeah, that is it. So let me start. I have a lot to do now. Okay, yeah. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. You gotta like, yeah. You gotta go.
Shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Anytime.
I'm done cleaning the meat. I'm done washing the meat. All right, I'm going to package them now. I didn't wash that what is it called, shaki. Tomorrow I will do that. Then this potato, I'm going to be blending it with oats. That is what I will eat now. And I'm done cutting the vegetables. All right, I'm done cutting it. And Oma is awake. I guess she's hungry, but she has to be patient so that the soup will be ready. She will eat fufu. And yeah.
This
is the soup. I'm going to be pouring the vegetable now. All right, so that is basically it. Let me package this meat. All right.
Love gagabaniru imani mota ifunanya yadi mawoke fumunye yananya mwanya lubelu disi imani mota love gagabaniru imota love gagabaniru imani mota ifenile yadima mawoke fumunye yananya mwanya chiedieze imani mota love gagabaniru love gadio 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 efunanya gadio love gadio.
So guys, I'm done packaging the meat. I'm done packaging them. It will be more easier for me anytime I want to cook. All right, yeah. This one is a cough medicine and kata. Esther, Daddy is feeding you. I'm ending this video here. All right, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. In fact, I'm done cooking. I'm done with everything I'm doing. It's just remaining for me to clear the dishes, but that will be after when we have finished eating, because everybody is hungry. In fact, with the hungry, with the verse, I got the hungry in the verse since. So yeah, this is the food. Oh Jesus, sorry. Ndo. So guys, here is the food. This vegetable is giving. It is giving. And this is the fufu. I'm going to be eating this one. This one is potato and this one is for hobby. All right, so yeah. Guys, come and eat. Come and eat. This is the treat I gave Hobby. Oh. Hobby, I've given you your treat. I don't give you your treat. Look at what I made for him now. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.